Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to use the Canva AI text to image generator. So there are many AI image generators out there, and Canva has its very own, which is pretty cool. So to start with, you're going to open up your Canva account, and I've used ChatGPT just to create a prompt for me, and you can do the same, or you might already have your prompt. So I just typed in, give me an image prompt for a cat flying through the air. So it's given me my prompt, so I'm just going to copy and paste that prompt. Then I'm going to go back to Canva, and on the left hand side I'm going to click on Canva AI, then click on image, and then I'm going to paste my prompt in there, and I'm going to hit submit, and let's see what Canva comes up with. So it usually takes a few seconds for the image to generate, and Canva will give you multiple different images. So as you can see, this looks pretty cool. There's my cat flying through the air, and it's given me different variations of the background. And you can give like edits if you want. So maybe I want the cat to be a different color. So I can say something like, can you make the cat purple? And Canva will go ahead and make those edits. So let's see what it comes up with. So basically you can just keep going and adding in edits until you get the image that you want. So I quite like this, but the cat doesn't really stand out, does it? So let's make the cat pink. Please make the cat bright pink. So you can just keep going, keep giving Canva your edits until you get the image you like. And oh yes, I quite like this one. That's a lot better. And you can go ahead, you can click to edit the image in like the full Canva suite, or then you can go ahead and download the image if you want. So I hope that was helpful. That's how to use the Canva AI image generator. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.